Hey guys, look at this, my perfect lunch of the day. This is a Katsuni and Chinjao Rosu with this Japanese sticky rice. So Katsuni is a braised pork cutlet with sweet Japanese tonkatsu sauce, not the tonkatsu soup, cook it with the fresh. So even though looking at it so delicious, was the perfect combination of Japanese sticky rice with Chinjao Rosu, which is like a green pepper beef strips with the strips of bamboo shoot. This is the perfect harmony of the katsu, tonkatsu, and the Chinjao Rosu. With what if you like, you can put over this katsu on the top of the sticky rice. You can make it a katsudon, and you can mix with the Chinjao Rosu as well. What a perfect lunch of the day.